From steam engines to traction power, 19th century. The history of the tractor traces back to the early 19th century, when steam-powered engines revolutionized agriculture by replacing animal and human labor for heavy tasks. Across the Atlantic, Charles Hart and Charles Parr coined the word tractor in 1901 to 1902 while building the first U.S. factory for gas traction engines in Iowa, with their Hart-Parr No. 1 model emphasizing drawbar power. Henry Ford entered the fray in 1907 with an experimental automobile plow, but his game-changer was the 1917 Fordson, a mass-produced, frameless tractor using the engine block for structure that dominated 77% of the US market by 1923. Tracked crawler models, inspired by World War I Holt tractors, which influenced tank designs, offered superior traction on soft soils, while four-wheel drive variants handled diverse conditions. Fuel diversity expanded, biodiesel and vegetable oils supplemented diesel, and with gas-powered European models during wartime shortages. The first commercial electric tractor, General Electric's Electrac Garden model, arrived in 1969 but faded until recent revivals. Prototypes from John Deere, Fendt, and Kubota feature autonomous, battery-electric systems, reducing emissions. Tractors now encompass specialized types, compact utility, 20 to 50 horsepower for landscaping, walking models for small plots, and heavy-duty engineering variants like backhoe loaders, serving agriculture, construction, and beyond. From steam behemoths to AI-driven workhorses, the tractor's evolution has boosted global food production while adapting to environmental and technological demands.